Welcome back. One of the things I mentioned in our Nano Banana course is that you can now upload images to NotebookLM. And you can see the image upload area. So if you go to the upload sources, you'll notice that you can upload JPEGs, PNGs, WebP. And basically, you can upload any image file. Now, the question is whether Nano Banana is the engine processing those images, and if so, what it is you're going to be doing with them. So I did ask Gemini whether this is the case, whether Nano Banana is the engine behind those image uploads. And I came back with a follow-up question in a regular conversation. I won't bore you with the text answer. So what I did was I copied and pasted Gemini's answer, and then I went to the dynamic view. Once I pasted inside the dynamic view, I just asked dynamic view to make it easy for me to show you Gemini's answer, and you'll see my prompt here at the top. And I basically asked dynamic view to just take all of that information and to make it presentable to you in this video. And dynamic view, which is also powered by Nano Banana Pro, is Gemini's answer but now made visual. So basically, you want to be using images when you do video generation in NotebookLM. And when you get this image, you'll be able to see it. You'll also want to use image uploads when you're doing deep research. Basically, whenever you're doing a video overview in NotebookLM, the main use is for you to use your logo inside of that video overview to add some familiarity and flavor to it. So if you are sharing your video overviews that you create inside of NotebookLM, you can add your logo to them when you upload them to NotebookLM. There are two other uses, and you'll be able to see them in the image that I will share with you. We'll demonstrate this entire process on screen for our new course. If you want to get access to the videos to teach your audience, you can look to the URL in the right-hand corner or the link in the description. Thanks and have a great day.